Are Jeep Wranglers reliable? Jeep Wranglers are known for their off-road capability, rugged design, and adventurous appeal, but their reliability is a debated topic. While they excel in off-road durability, they often fall short in daily driving reliability compared to other SUVs. This guide breaks down Jeep Wrangler reliability, common issues, maintenance costs, and longevity to help you decide if it's a dependable vehicle. First, Jeep Wrangler reliability overview. Jeep Wranglers are designed for off-road performance rather than long-term reliability. While they are durable in rough terrains, their mechanical reliability lags behind competitors due to frequent repairs and lower build quality in some models. Off-road durability, excellent. Daily driving reliability, average to below average. Long-term maintenance costs, higher than average. Second common reliability issues. Jeep Wranglers tend to experience recurring mechanical and electrical issues including steering problems, death wobble, a shaking or vibration in the steering wheel at high speeds. Transmission issues. Some models have experienced premature transmission failures or shifting problems. Electrical system failures. Malfunctions in the infotainment system, sensors, and dashboard controls. Oil leaks and engine problems. Some Wranglers develop oil leaks or overheating issues over time. Suspension and drivetrain wear. Off-road driving accelerates wear on shocks, axles, and other suspension parts. Third, reliability ratings. Compared to other SUVs, Jeep Wranglers typically score lower in reliability ratings compared to competitors like Toyota 4Runner or Honda CR-V. JD Power and Consumer Reports often rank Wranglers below average in reliability. RepairPal gives the Jeep Wrangler a 3.5 out of 5 reliability score, placing it in the middle of the pack. Wranglers often require more frequent repairs, though parts are generally affordable and widely available. 4. Longevity and durability. Despite their average reliability scores, Jeep Wranglers can last 200,000 to 300,000 miles with proper care. Engine lifespan is solid, but regular maintenance is critical. Off-road driving increases wear, meaning frequent repairs and part replacements. Rust can be an issue, especially in humid or coastal areas. With regular servicing and proper use, Wranglers can remain functional for many years, though they require more attention than some competitors. 5. Maintenance and repair costs. Jeep Wranglers cost more to maintain than average SUVs due to frequent part replacements and off-road wear. Annual maintenance costs, around $650 to $800, higher than Toyota or Honda SUVs. Common repairs, suspension work, steering components, oil leaks, and electrical fixes. DIY-friendly repairs. Many Wrangler owners perform their own repairs, reducing costs. Owners who perform regular maintenance and inspections can prevent major breakdowns and keep costs lower. 6. Are newer Jeep Wranglers more reliable? Newer models, 2018 to present, JL generation, have improved in technology and comfort, but still have reliability concerns. Better engines and transmission choices, more safety and tech features, but more electrical issues. Some quality control problems remain, leading to recalls. While newer Wranglers are slightly more reliable, they still require regular maintenance and may not be the best choice for daily commuting. Jeep Wranglers are rugged, durable, and off-road capable, but not the most reliable SUV for daily driving. They require frequent maintenance and repairs are common, especially for suspension and electrical components. While they are notoriously fun to drive, buyers should be prepared for higher maintenance costs and potential mechanical issues.